In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple text summarizer using AWS Lambda, Amazon Bedrock, and Python. Let's say you have a paragraph like this one about cats and dogs. What if you wanted to summarize this paragraph to just 2 or 3 bullet points? That's exactly what we're going to build today. As I mentioned earlier, I'm using Lambda for this project. The Lambda function does 4 things. It reads your input, it builds a prompt, it calls Amazon Bedrock, and it returns your summary. For this project, I'm using the Nova Micro model, which is one of Bedrock's foundation models. In previous videos, I ran Python scripts locally. In this video, I'm running the code in the cloud using AWS Lambda. Lambda lets you run code in the cloud without managing any servers. You just upload your code and run it. As you can see, I've already created the Lambda function here called Nova Summarizer. You'll need to create this Lambda function before you try this demo yourself. It's really easy to set up, and I've included step-by-step instructions on how to set up the Lambda function and create the test event in my GitHub repo linked in the description below. Now let's see how this works. I'll click on Nova Summarizer. In the Code tab, I've pasted my Python script. Now I'll click the Test tab. And down here, I've pasted the paragraph about cats and dogs, and here's the number of bullet points I want, which is 3. This is the test event we're going to send to our Lambda function. This tells Lambda 2 things: what text to summarize and how many bullet points I want back. Now I'll click Test. And here it is. As you can see, Nova generated 3 points in just a few seconds. Notice how each sentence captures one main idea. The first sentence is about dogs, the second is about cats, and the third is about their shared benefit. That's because I asked for 3 points, so the model organized the information into 3 core themes. I'm now in GitHub, and this is the full Python code that I used in the demo today. The link is in the description below. I'm not going to walk through the entire script, but I want to highlight one important part. You might be wondering, how does the model know to summarize the paragraph and not do something else? The answer is, I tell it what to do right here. This sentence, summarize the text into numbered points, and the rules, these are the instructions. So if I change this line to something like, rewrite the paragraph as a poem, the model would generate a poem instead. And that's it. I hope this helped you understand how to build a basic serverless AI text summarizer using AWS Lambda and Amazon Bedrock. From here, you can take this idea further, maybe connect it to a website, or use it to process documents automatically. You'll find the full code and Lambda function setup guide in my GitHub link below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.